Hello, today I will guide you on how to add the IDM extension to the Chrome. Step 1, download IDM extension from official website. Open Google Chrome and search IDM extension, not showing in Google Chrome. Click on the official Internet Download Manager website. Step 2, add IDM extension to Chrome. On the IDM official website, locate the IDM Integration Module link and click on it. In the new tab, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. In the new tab, click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Step 3, enable the IDM extension. If the extension does not appear, click the three-dot menu, go to Extensions, and select Manage Extensions. Locate IDM Integration Module and toggle it on. Restart Chrome to apply the changes. Now your IDM extension should be successfully installed and working in Google Chrome. If the extension is still not working, try restarting your PC.